Hey, Tim here with Expert Power Wash. Wanted to show you some of the projects that we're working on here in the shop today. Some of the skids that we're building in various different stages of production. So this is an 8.5 foot skid here with a pure water system. This one here is going to get picked up today. This is another 6.5 foot skid. Been doing a lot of 6.5 foot skids lately. These fit real nice in the small, mid-size, short bed trucks. Our preferred truck is an F250 or 350. Of course, you can get those in 6.5 feet and 8 feet. Show you a couple other skids here that we're working on. This one here, this one is going out to Canada. So there's a lot on this one. This one has two 8-gallon a minute machines, a P40. Here's the other 8 there. Locking surface cleaner rack. You can see this one has 2 Flow Pros, 4 tanks. So we got 3 tied together for water, giving this one a total of 300 gallons of water. Everything is plumbed up. And then on over here, this is for a van. So this is an 8 foot by 4 foot base, stacked Titan reels, and then an 8-gallon a minute machine on the bottom there. And then over here, we have another 6.5 foot skid. This one is getting ready to hit production. And then another skid over here, 3 Titan electric reels, 3 tanks, locking surface cleaner rack, soap tank, fuel tank, 8-gallon a minute pressure washer. And then back behind here, we have our mini skids. So this is our budget mini. You can check these out at pressurewashingskids.com. You can outfit these the way that you wanted them outfitted. We have an ultimate mini over here. This one's just a little bit bigger than the budget mini. We add the side shelf over here so you can actually get 3 reels. This budget mini, we'll have some people order these and they'll get a 3rd reel stacked to either side there. So that'll give them a 3rd reel, another budget here, and then all the way down here is another budget mini skid. So budget mini skids have been super popular. These are built right. They have the shelf. We have the heavy duty gussets on here. And lastly, here is an 8 foot skid. This one has stacked Titan reels. So 2 12s on the back there, 2 18s. This one has the new Flow Pro Gen 5. We have a nice little mounting bracket here. It mounts directly up to the hose reels. 8-gallon a minute belt drive. This one has 4 tanks, our slim fuel tank in here. Here's the other 8-gallon a minute machine, our mixing system with the rinse valve. Give you a closer look at that there. Like I said, this one has 4 tanks, so 100 gallons for bleach. And then we have all 3 of these slim tanks tied together for water. We like tying these tanks together because it eliminates the sloshing and they all fill together. Give you a look at the plumbing down here so you can see how we've connected them. A lot of cool projects in the shop. If you guys are interested in getting a professional pressure washing setup, I'll put my contact information down below in the video description. You either talk to me or Christina. We'll get you set up with a discovery call. From there, we'll get you an estimate and get you a skid going if you're interested. Appreciate you guys tuning in. Just wanted to give you a little walk around the shop so you can see what we're building out here in Portland, Oregon. And if shipping's an issue for you guys, we have a bunch of different ways we can get these skids to you and a couple other little tips and tricks to offset some of that shipping cost. All right, guys, see you in the next video.